Are you looking for reliable dumpster rentals in East Flat Rock, North Carolina? Rock Creek Containers have you covered. At Rock Creek Containers, we understand the convenience you need for your projects. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit all your needs, whether it's a home renovation, a construction site, or a big cleanout. Our knowledgeable and friendly staff are here to help you select the perfect dumpster for your project. We're committed to providing exceptional customer service from start to finish, because your satisfaction is our priority. We pride ourselves on timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your site stays clean and your project is on track. We know time is crucial, so we will be there when you need us. Environmental responsibility is at the core of our business. We partner with local recycling centers to minimize waste and protect our beautiful East Flat Rock community. Join the many satisfied customers who trust Rock Creek Containers for their dumpster rental needs. You can focus on your project with us while we take care of the waste. Visit us at www.rockcreekcontainers.com dumpster rental East Flat Rock NC or call 828-692-9017 to learn more about our services. Rock Creek Containers, your partner in clean, efficient waste management.